Hey guys, today I have this Phogalo Ionic facial steamer. We are going to go ahead and open it up and check out all the awesome features and then use it later as well.
I am so excited to incorporate this facial steamer into my daily skincare routine. This facial steamer came with everything that you need to get started, plus a few other extra little accessories like this massaging face cleanser, these brushes to put masks on, and just some other cool little fun tools that you can use while doing your skincare routine. A really cool thing about facial steamers is they actually will make your products last longer, because when you put the product on, it's going to soak into your skin way better than if you weren't using a facial steamer. So you won't even have to use as much product. So in the long run, you're going to be saving a ton of money and not be using as much product on a daily basis.
One of the other fun little accessories I had mentioned earlier that it comes with are these aromatherapy pads that are super cool. So you can pick whichever aromatherapy you want to put on there. For me, I put lavender. I just love a relaxing lavender scent. You can just put it on this little pad, pop it into the slot that is designed for these pads. So now, not only are you getting all of the benefits of just using the facial steamer in general, but now you can also take advantage of all the advantages of aromatherapy that can come with it, because the steam is going to be lifting that right onto your face. And like I said earlier, like lavender and eucalyptus, it just gives you that relaxing feeling. So not only are you feeling like you're at the spa from the facial steamer, but now you're getting that aromatherapy added benefit too. And the fact that you can just pick your favorite aromatherapy is an amazing feature of this. Another one of the super awesome accessories that this facial steamer comes with that will be one of your new favorite parts of your skincare routine is this awesome massaging and heating facial cleansing brush. The silicone makes it super easy to clean, so you don't have to worry about bacteria growing in your bristle brush. It's super easy to use. Once you get it turned on, there's a few other features. You can just hit the buttons up or down to change the vibration modes. And then if you press the power button again, it's actually going to start blinking blue. And what that does is it turns on the heating mode. This, along with the facial steamer, along with the aromatherapy, seriously, it feels so amazing. It's literally like you have your own spa at home.
This steamer leaves my skin glowing and just feeling so refreshed. I am so happy that I've added this facial steamer in to my
nighttime routine. It has made such a difference in my overall skin appearance, and just the glow of my skin is amazing.